Hello, my name's Spencer Shields. I'm a trial attorney in Kansas City, Missouri. I've been doing automobile litigation nationwide for over 15 years now, representing only injured plaintiffs and their families. Today I'm going to talk to you about a legal situation that occurs when you or a loved one are involved in an automobile accident and the driver of the car or the company of the employer of the truck driver or whatever you're involved in does not carry enough insurance to cover the losses of either you, your family member, or everyone involved in an accident. In a situation where we have, as a result of multiple injured persons or someone severely injured, and again, there's not enough insurance coverage on the negligent party to cover the loss, that results in what's called an underinsured motorist claim. Most states throughout the country require mandatory underinsured motorist coverage on your own policy, and in the event that you do receive what's called a policy limits offer or an offer exhausting policy limits from a negligent driver and their insurance company, you are required under both your automobile insurance and most state laws to give notice to your own insurance company of that policy limits offer before accepting it. This is an area where throughout the years I've gotten multiple calls throughout the years from injured persons who represented themselves, took money from an insurance company, and then called me after they find out that they had coverage to give them additional compensation. And I have to unfortunately explain to them that because they signed a release of the negligent driver and took the money without first following certain procedures required under their own insurance contract and state laws, that they have voided their rights to any underinsured motorist coverage. Typically, the process is that you have to notify your own insurance company that the insurance company for the other driver who's negligent has made what's called a policy limit offer, or that they've offered the policy limit to multiple people. Your insurance company then has the right to review that, and they have to do what's called a consent to allow you to sign a release of the negligent driver before you take that money and settle the case and release them. The reason that is because your own insurance company, if they're going to end up paying additional money to you under what's called the underinsured motorist coverage, if they so choose, they have a right to ultimately pursue the negligent driver. If you go and release their rights without first getting their consent, what you've in essence done is cut off their rights, and because of that, the law says that you void your own contractual rights back for underinsured motorist benefits. Because of this, as well as other legal issues always involved in automobile litigation, I highly recommend you consult with legal counsel. Do not try to do your own underinsured motorist claim. Another thing that comes up a lot is when you're making claim against a negligent driver in all states, that's for negligence. Every state has a statute of limitations that applies to negligence. But when you're making claim for either uninsured motorists or underinsured motorist benefits, because the other driver either had no insurance or does not have enough insurance, those claims are based in contract, and the negligence statute of limitations does not necessarily apply. Most states, two being Kansas, Missouri, allow for claims longer than what they do for contract claims for longer than what they do for negligence. So don't make the mistake that thinking that just because you're negligent 2 year or 5 year statute of limitations or whatever it is in your state has run, that you still cannot make claim for contract benefits for underinsured motorist coverage. Again, my name's Spencer Shields. My website's spencershields.com, or you can go to www.shieldedjustice.net. You can email me or make a phone call to our firm. My practice is nationwide. Again, I'm based out of Kansas City, Missouri, but I handle claims for underinsured and underinsured motorist coverage in all 50 states, and I've been doing it for over 16 years. I appreciate it, and I hope this helps.